Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another nice little move here, especially when you factor in that the day started off not so good. In fact, a relatively big gap down, hit the low right there, and then from there has recovered up nicely. Now, there's still a whole lot of work that needs to be done, but like I said, relatively speaking, this day could have been a whole lot worse had the bears picked up from that downwards, gap and then just pushed the price downwards. I mean, that'd be a very, very different looking chart. So overall, though, certainly some updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do, though, is just actually adjust this. Actually, I'm going to leave that down there because that is still a pretty important level. So let me just throw in another line. I'm always worried about I don't want to, create too much clutter on the chart because there's lines everywhere. But adding one more support line isn't going to do any harm. So preferably speaking now, going forward, $10.20 would be the level that you want to see hold. Now, if the price drops below $10.20, I'm not saying that implies that the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, staying up above that area would definitely be a nice little step in the right direction and, would demonstrate that the bulls do have some good strength. The bulls do have some good momentum in their favor. But if that doesn't hold up, then again, not the end of the world because you still do have that area down there at 985. Now, if the price blasts down through 985, at that point, that's a much different situation. But as of right now, the price isn't anywhere close to doing that. So I won't focus on that. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key level to watch is going to be that purple line right there, that 50-period moving average, which is currently right where the price is struggling there. Current value of that is, we'll call it right up around $10.80. So we want to keep a close eye on that. If the price can push up through that level, then the next key area of resistance would be right up there around the $11.10 mark. So keep an eye on those couple areas moving forward. But all in all, nice movement today, continuing to work itself off those lows from Monday, and we'll see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.